In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I built my new desk out of a single sheet of ply. Make sure you stick around. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button below and keep an eye out for more videos. Hi, I'm Will from Surridge Tech, and today we're going to be having a look at my desk build. Now, my old desk had many problems, as all of my builds start with. It was small, it had no space, it had cables everywhere that were a complete mess, and I couldn't really use it. Not really to do anything useful at least, so I thought I needed to change it up a bit. And that is where my new desk comes in. My new desk is going to be a single sheet of ply, and it's going to be cut down and look pretty, and then with plenty of cable management built in and some devices kind of hidden underneath. So first thing, of course, is to cut it, and obviously I don't have a decent ruler, so we're stuck with two bits of wood stuck together as my guide. And naturally, we're using my lovely technique of burning wood. Admittedly, I would have liked a slightly thicker burn, but I ran out of gas, so I kind of made it a bit splodgy instead, which I don't think looks too bad, but I would have liked a bit more burn. Once sufficiently burnt, we can stick on the strips that I made earlier, and that's just going to give the desk a bit more depth. I'm just gluing it with a bit of glue and a couple of nails to hold it in place while the glue dries. And here comes the Danish oil, my favourite finish of all. Lovely coat, lovely colour, really brings out the burnt effect. A little chamfer on the front to give it a slightly nicer look, which we can then fill and paint black, just so the desk kind of disappears. and this is a coat of polyurethane varnish just to protect it a bit. The Danish oil doesn't exactly provide a thick layer of protection, it leaves it quite natural. So I just wanted this because it's got to be a hard wearing surface. And now we can look at our cable management. So these little strips are basically to hold the cables so they only come out kind of at the bottom and the top of the shelf, either close to the desk or kind of at the bottom where it can go away. And then the thicker bit is obviously the shelf for all the cable management to sit on. And then when it's in place, we can dress the desk. So I'm using two 4-monitor Visa mounts, one predominantly for my monitors, and then the other one is predominantly for my camera recording setup. Now this other monitor mount I'm using as a laptop tray, and it's got a piston in it so you can raise and lower that laptop tray to create a standing desk, which you'll see later. Now add a lot of desk lights because I like the light, and of course some recording lights as well, and then some more cable management. This is a tray that I already had under my desk. As you can see, I'm using the original desk and just putting this over the top of it, just to provide a bigger desk surface, so I didn't have to worry about legs or anything. And after a shed load of cable management, we have a finished desk. I've got my two monitors, my two laptop stands, wireless keyboard and mouse, which I will upgrade at some point, and everything I need to record, all out and accessible. Under the desk, I've got a USB hub mounted on one side and a 5-bay charging block USB on the other side, and of course an extension lead for mains. And then tucked away at the back, we've got a heck of a lot of cables, really not neatly done, a Unify Flex Hub Mini 5-port PoE switch, and my Skype mini box. And this is my standing desk effect. So just by lifting it up, I can stand and work quite easily. And I can also transfer it very quickly into my recording setup with a top-down camera, a front-on camera, a couple of lights, and of course a screen to record and have notes on. So there we have it, my desk build all set up and looking a lot nicer with a lot more space. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and click the bell icon to find out more about my smart tech and how you can build yourself the ultimate smart home.